Ginger plus orange peel steam, a soothing remedy for congestion. Got stubborn flare or chest tightness? This natural combo might help you feel clearer. When ginger and orange peels are warmed, they release soothing steam that many people use for comfort during cough or congestion. The aroma feels calming, and the warm vapors can help you breathe easier. Like, share, and subscribe. Tap the bell for more natural health tips. Share this tip with someone who needs relief.